Class 9, Chapter 6, Lines and Angles, Exercise 6.1. Question number 5. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that ROS is equivalent to half QOS minus POS. In the question they have told POQ is a line. This is the figure. Here in this figure POQ is a line and RO is perpendicular to PQ. So we can tell in the first class I have told you, if one ray is perpendicular to another ray, then the angle formed by those two rays are called right angle, which would be equal to 90 degree. So the angle formed by ray OR and OQ is right angle, which is equivalent to 90 degree. And one more thing, this OS lies in between two rays. Those are OR and OP. That means OS lies in between OR and OP. We have to find, that means we have to prove ROS is equivalent to half QOS minus POS. Let's see how to prove that. See, for that we have to make the equation with ROS. How we can make the equation? First we will take POQ, that means angle formed by line POQ. Angle formed by line POQ are, there are three angles. This whole angle is formed by the line POQ. So I can write POS plus SOR or ROS plus ROQ, which is equivalent to what? We know the straight line will form the angle straight angle. That means the angle formed by the straight line would be straight angle. Straight angle would be, the measurement of straight angle is 180 degree. So the sum of these three angle is 180 degree, because this angle made by the line POQ. This is first equation. Next we have to form one more equation. For that we will take the angle QOS. What is QOS? QOS is equivalent to ROS plus ROQ. ROS plus ROQ. This is second equation. By using these two equations, we are going to prove ROS is equivalent to half of QOS minus POS. Let's prove. Solution. Already I have told you we have to make two equations. Those two equations are, this two equation I have made earlier. So I am going to use this equation first. This equation is POS plus ROS plus ROQ, which is equivalent to 180 degree. But in the question they have given ROQ is equivalent to 90 degree. That means they have told OR is perpendicular to PQ. So ROQ is 90 degree. So I am going to substitute this value in this equation. If I substitute, I will get POS plus ROS plus 90 is equivalent to 180 degree. I am going to take this 90 to this side. So if I take this 90 to this side, it will be 180 minus 90, which is equivalent to 90. So that I have written directly POS plus ROS is equivalent to 90. But we have to make equation with ROS. So I am going to keep this ROS in the left hand side, and then we have to take this to right hand side. If I take this POS to right hand side, it will become as minus. So 90 degree minus POS. This is the equation. So This is the first equation. Next equation will form. For the next equation, we have to use this equation, which is R ROS plus ROQ is equivalent to this whole angle QOS. So ROS plus ROQ is equivalent to QOS. Here also we know ROQ is 90 degree because this is perpendicular to OQ. So I am going to substitute the value of ROQ in this equation. If I substitute, I will get ROS plus 90 is equivalent to QOS. If I bring this 90 to this side, this equation becomes angle ROS is equivalent to angle QOS minus 90 degree. This is my second equation. You can see these two equations, both the left hand side are equal. This is also angle ROS and this is also angle ROS. So if the left hand side are both are equal, then the right hand side also would be equal. So I'm going to add these two equations. If I add these two equations, ROS, I'm going to add left hand side first. ROS plus ROS is equivalent to, then we have to add both the equations right hand sides. First right hand side is 90 degree minus angle POS. Here I have written that, plus the right hand side of second equation is angle QOS minus 90 degree, that I have written here. So see, this is plus 90 and this is minus 90, so you can cancel these two. So rest are minus POS plus QOS. So I am going to write this as QOS minus POS. So here there are two ROS, so I am going to add these two. 2 into ROS is equivalent to angle QOS minus angle POS. We have to prove ROS is equivalent to half QOS minus POS. So I am going to bring this 2 to this side. If 2 will come this side as division, because here it has a multiplication. So ROS is equivalent to half of QOS minus POS. Hence we have proved by using these two equations. That's it. Thank you.